guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. We are doing something today that I've never done on my channel before, but that I've had several requests to do, and that is a Dollar Tree beauty haul. So I ran on over to the nearest Dollar Tree and picked up all of the beauty products that I thought looked good. So I have body care, skincare, hair care, and makeup products here. I only spent $34 and I got so many things, so let's just jump into it. First up is from Dermasil Labs. This is an oil-free daily facial cream with vitamin E, and it also has hyaluronic acid. We're gonna do some real-time hand swatches here so that you guys can see what the texture of all of these products look like, and I can let you know my first impression thoughts on how they feel. Okay, so nice. Wait, I love how this feels. Okay, this is really difficult for me to describe, but I have noticed this about my favorite moisturizers, and it's that they have, I don't know, this ability to create a little bit of a film on the skin, but not in a yucky way. It's like, yucky, what am I, 3? I feel like when you associate the word film with skincare products, it can make that product feel heavy or unpleasant, but there are certain products that I try that do have just like a tiny bit of a film that feels so nice. It's like this perfecting layer, if you will. And this is one of those products. The only thing I want to note about this one is that the fourth ingredient is isopropyl palmitate, which is a comedogenic ingredient, so just be aware of that if you're acne prone. Otherwise, wow, that was pleasantly surprising. Another moisturizer I picked up is the Care All Creamy Cocoa Butter Petroleum Jelly. I'm a petroleum jelly kind of girl, so this was a no-brainer to me. Let's give it a whirl. So this contains 30% petrolatum. It does have added fragrance, but it's a super subtle fragrance. This would make for a perfect barrier cream if you're somebody that has really dry skin, or if you have super dehydrated skin. Like that, you can see just creates a barrier on the skin, which is what petrolatum is the best for. So super nice and moisturizing, but I'm just now noticing that this contains lanolin alcohol, which is not going to be a problem for everybody, but that is an ingredient that can commonly cause contact dermatologist? What? Contact dermatitis, because people can have an allergic reaction to it, and I am one of those people. That's why I can't put Aquaphor on my face. I break out in little tiny bumps. It's like this combination of bumps and a rash, and my skin gets super dry and scaly. It's terrible. So I will not be putting this on my face, but I'll definitely use this as like a hand cream. The last moisturizer I picked up is the Pond's Light Moisturizer for soft and glowing skin. This contains vitamin E and glycerin. Oh, has a little foil on top. Let's rip her open. Oh my god, that's gonna break my nail off. It doesn't have the ingredients listed on the back. This definitely has added fragrance. It smells really nice. Here she blows. Oh my gosh. Wait, is it chunky? Look, what's going on? Oh my god, you guys, it looks like cottage cheese. Do you see that? Okay, let's see if the bumps like blend out. Okay, it feels amazing. Wow, this one feels the best for sure. Okay, yes, the bumps go away. Oh my goodness. That one definitely feels the most cosmetically elegant. Wow. Hydrating, soft, moisturizing. Yeah, the only thing that freaks me out a little is this, but when it costs $1, I can't complain too much. Wow, it smells nice. It is pretty fragrant, so I probably wouldn't risk this one on my face either, but I'm keeping her for a hand cream because that feels super good. Next is a sunscreen. This is from Sun Basics. It is their sunscreen lotion with broad spectrum SPF 50. It's a water resistant sunscreen and contains avobenzone, homosalate, octisalate, and octocrylene. Let's give her a whirl. Ooh, that's super nice. Oh my gosh, and it has that amazing sunscreen smell. Oh, I love it. I freaking love the smell of sunscreen. It just reminds me of being little. This one has aloe juice, cacao seed butter, vitamin E. Wow, who knew the Dollar Tree could formulate a nice sunscreen? I'm kind of in shock. The next skincare product I picked up is the Bath & Beauty Micellar Cleansing Water. This one doesn't really have anything worth calling out, but it says that it contains no alcohol and no residue. I'm always down to test out an affordable micellar water because it still is probably my favorite way to remove a full face of makeup like the one I'm wearing now, which, by the way, if you would like to see how I created this look and the products I used, I just filmed a video where I tested out a full face of brand new drugstore skincare and makeup, so I'll list that in my description box below. I am loving how everything turned out. But anyway, I really love using micellar water to remove makeup like this because it's just not as messy for me as something like a cleansing balm or cleansing oil. Even though those are great products too, there's just something about a micellar water that I love. I also got the Vaseline Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter Balm. You guys know, has this been used? Okay, I don't know. Well, the reason why I bought this is because I'm obsessed with the Vaseline Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter Petroleum Jelly little thingy. And so I was hoping that this one would be really good. I can just like do a little hand swatch. Feels nice. I'm not putting this on my lips. Feels really nice. Dang. I wanted to try it, but I'm scared. I picked up 4 bars of Dial Refresh and Renew antibacterial soap because this is my absolute favorite way to clean makeup brushes. I just find it super easy. These are obviously super affordable regardless of where you buy them, but especially at the Dollar Tree. And it just gets the job done. It's great. We'll wrap up skincare with 2 body products. I picked up this little exfoliating pumice stone because I feel like my feet have been a little bit flakier than normal lately, so I wanted something like this to just scrub those flakes right off. Get out of here. And last but not least is this nourishing body butter. The brand is Beautiful Bath. Well, I don't know about that, or maybe Crystal Waters. What are you? And it's sage and cedar scented. Let's rip this open. This is what it looks like. It's pretty small. Ooh, no. Oh my God, I hate the way it smells. Oh, okay. I mean, it feels amazing. This is like the exact type of product I would just die to put all over my body because I love lotions like that. This is definitely not like a super thick body butter, more of a body cream. Ew! What is that smell, you guys? You're like, we don't know. You're the only one that can smell it. Okay, unfortunately, I cannot recommend this. But other than that, some solid skincare finds. So let's move on to makeup. I picked up 2 of these little mini blushes. This is the shade Spice, which is a really pretty, let me just open it. It's like a peachy brown. It looks like it has a little bit of shimmer in it. Let's give her a swatch. Feels nice. Ooh, oh my gosh, work Dollar Tree. This is like a blush lighter. And this color is called Sweet Cheeks. I knew I had to buy this because look at this pretty pink. It's so teeny tiny. Y'all, I am screaming at this. I know it's Dollar Tree, so I'm not complaining, but oh. Can you imagine if you did your blush with that? So obviously won't be using that when I test this out. I'll just use a regular brush, lipstick, hair. I wanna swatch this. These are really nice, soft, dense powders. Oh yes, that's the one. That's beautiful. Wait, I love it. I also picked up a bronzer from the same brand, which is LA Colors. It's in the exact same packaging. It says it's new and improved. I cannot be the judge of that because I never tried the original. But this one is in the shade Baked. Same formula as the blushes. Okay, beautiful. Wait, I want that all over my eyes. Definitely has quite a bit of luminosity to it, so kind of like a bronzer highlight combo. Then I picked up this LA Colors pressed powder. They didn't have any shades that would match my skin tone, so I thought I would pick up a deeper shade to test out as bronzer. This, oh, this compact. This is the shade Tan. Definitely a very different formula than the other powders, a little bit drier, but still feels soft. I feel like this is gonna be pretty actually. Here, let me do a little back of the hand swatch. That is a really nice shade for anyone who is fair like me. Guys, I have one more blush. Ooh, this one's so pretty. This one is in the shade Pink Blush, so super, super light pink. This is like a pale petally pink. Oh, this one would look terrible on me. These kind of shades just like don't look right on my skin, but if you are extra fair, extra fair, and you have cool tone skin, this would be a dream. I also snagged this 3-color eyeshadow palette from LA Colors, specifically because I thought that this shade looked like the most perfect brown winged liner shade. That's literally what I do when I look for eyeshadow palettes, is try to seek out good brown liner shades. But honestly, this right here looks beautiful. I definitely would put that all over my lids. This is just too dark for me. Let's open it. Ooh. Yep, that is the perfect brown liner shade. Not too warm, not too cool. Yes. Okay, now let's try that lighter color that I liked. That was just a terrible swatch. Let me use my finger for that. Pretty. It's like a silvery champagne. And then the other one, which was darker. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. What? Who would have thought? I mean, obviously I have no idea how any of those blend, but honestly, I've swatched a lot of eyeshadow palettes from the drugstore that have horrible color payoff, like so much worse than this. Should we start a series on my channel where I give you guys updates on everything new that I've tested out? Because I'm trying to think about how I would give you guys updates on these products. I don't want to film like another video just using all of these products, but I would like to give you guys updates. And I feel like that could be helpful for anything that I introduce in a haul that isn't quite a favorite to be included in a future favorites video. Let me know what you guys think. I can definitely do that. Give me ideas for what I could call that kind of video. But anyway, last 3 makeup items I picked up are all mascaras. The first, and I think these are all, oh no, 2 are from LA Colors. This one is Wet n Wild. So the first LA Colors mascara is the Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. Oh, that's a little bitty wand. Okay. Don't have much hope in that one, I'm gonna be totally honest. And the other is their Wowie Lash Curve Mascara. I have more faith in this one, but still not a ton. And then the Wet n Wild mascara is called the Mega Wear Mascara, which I specifically picked up because I feel like this would be a great lower lash line mascara with that skinny wand. All right, let's wrap up the video with hair care. First up is a baby shampoo, actually. This is the Haircare baby shampoo gentle formula, and this I specifically picked up because I've gotten requests to review baby shampoos. Maybe I could do like a baby shampoo video, maybe not. Is that really weird? I don't know. Either way, I bought this for that purpose. We'll see how it goes. Kinda terrified. Next is this Daily Defense Deep Conditioner with coconut oil and vitamin E. You know I snatched this up when I saw coconut oil. Also, you guys, I am not making this up, I swear to God. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th ingredient is amodimethicone at the Dollar Tree. And then of course, coconut oil as well. That smells nice and light and fresh and coconutty. I'm gonna just like stick the backs of my nails in there. Okay, so it's like a lighter weight mask. I'm definitely gonna test this out because what? And last but not least is the Salon Selectives Argan Oil Damage Repair Hair Treatment. This one also has amodimethicone, 5th ingredient again, but instead of the coconut oil, this has castor oil and argan oil. This one smells floral. It smells nice. Ooh, this one's definitely a little bit thicker and more dense. Okay, so down to test both of those out, and I feel less scared about them than the baby shampoo. All right, you guys, those are all of the items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, so we're gonna wrap this up here, but thank you so much to those of you that have requested this video because this was really fun to just explore a new beauty area or like new beauty aisles that I haven't been in years and years. I feel like I am so used to the beauty aisles at Target and Ulta and Sephora just with how frequently I go, so it's fun for me to go explore an area that I haven't before, and honestly I am shocked by some of the potential that these products seem to have. So again, let me know if you would like to see some sort of update video in the future and what I should call that. But if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, click on that notification bell, and send my channel to a friend. Thank you so much for your support in doing those things. It truly means the world. Thank you for watching my videos. I love the freaking heck out of you guys. Make sure to stay tuned for my next one because that will be up in a few days. But until then, I hope you have a great few days.